Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram messages update problem. So this problem shows because maybe you don't have the messenger option. You can see here is messenger app. Maybe you don't have the messenger app. So you have to just go for your Play Store and search for messenger, and you need to this install it. You need to install this one, and you can if you have, then you can update also. Another way, if you have the messenger but you don't have the messenger option on your Instagram, then you can go for your profile and okay, go for here three line option and account center. After that, you can connect your Facebook account here by this add account option, and you can get this messenger option on your Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.